Presenting a pre-owned 2010 GMC Sierra 1500. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 117,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power steering, battery saver, child seat anchors, stability control, and traction control. CarZone 18690 Van Buren Boulevard, Riverside, California 92508. In Woodcrest, across from El Pollo Loco. Sales direct, 951-790-0805. Text CARS on a deal to 474747 for special internet offers.